Alright, so this is my chapter 25 video solution. So I just grabbed a couple pictures here from the book, estimating the exterior sheathing. And there's two ways you can go about it. You can get the perimeter and divide that by 4. You can get the perimeter and times that by the wall height and then divide that by 32. So in this video I will be explaining both ways on how to do that. Also wanted to highlight something else. It says, in general, the estimator is on safe ground by adding from 3 to 6 sheets of sheathing to basic count. So the answers I got was not far from the answers in the book, so I rounded up, is what you can call it, I guess. So here's the question. Number 1, let's see. Sufficiently detailed plans for several houses are shown. For each house, determine the following materials required. And we're solving 1. So it's going to be the number of sheets of sheathing needed to close and the exterior walls. So we're going to do A and B. So we have the perimeter of A is 144 feet, and we divide that by 4, gives us 37 sheets. The method 2 times 148 times the wall height times 8, divided by 32, we get 37 sheets. The answer in the book is 43, so it's not far off from what the rounding could be. B, house B, total perimeter is 120. We divide that by 4 and we get 30 sheets, or if we times 120 by 8, divide that by 32, we get 30 sheets. Thank you.